Hey guys, in this video we're going to be installing a basin waste. This one's a pop-up style. It's 32mm, which suits the 32mm outlet in this basin, but the rest of our plumbing's 40mm, so we've gotten a 32 to 40mm PVC adapter. It actually came with it, which is handy. It's got a couple of overflow apertures, which we need to line up with the overflow in the basin there. So if you ever leave the plug closed and the tap running, it'll still let the water into there rather than all over your bathroom floor. It's got a couple of rubber washers which we're going to discard and actually install this plug using silicone, which is a better seal, and a flange nut. So follow these steps and we'll get it installed. Before we put our silicone on around here, just remove your plug, that unscrews, and you can also unscrew the little spring plug mechanism, and we'll get our silicone on around the flange, the underside there. Remembering to line up the overflow hole there. Reattach the plug mechanism. Just finger tight's fine. We're going to end up with some silicone squeezing out the side there. We won't worry about cleaning it up just yet. Once we've tightened it all together, we'll give this a clean up with like a paper towel and some soapy water. This is the 32 to 40mm adapter for PVC. It's actually got a rubber seal there. So as we screw that up tight, doesn't need any thread sealing tape on it. It's just got that washer at the bottom there. Reconnect our waste. Now there's a little bit of silicone that's squeezed out around there. Just double check at this point that your overflow aperture there is lining up, and replace or install your plug. Done. Nice easy job. Okay, so two important points I think that we need to remember is to line up the overflow waste holes when we screw that waste down nice and tight to the basin. And the other one is use silicone and put plenty on rather than the rubber washers that come with the drain. And when you tighten it up and the silicone squeezes out, just clean that up with paper towel and some soapy water, and it'll give you a really good seal. Alright, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, I appreciate that, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.